Hello, my name is CarX82, and welcome back to our Enigmatica 2 Expert Mode series. I almost said FTB there, but yeah, this is Enigmatica, and I realize the reason I keep dropping my sword is because I've been playing another game, and you strafe with Q and E, so it's just turned into habit that I keep trying to strafe and hitting Q and dropping that. So you may have noticed I've done that the past few episodes. Yeah, that is why. Because I'm trying to strafe and hitting Q instead of A and D. So I'm going to replace some of these cables. Well, not some of them, but I'm going to connect this. Instead of connecting it to that one over there, I'm going to connect it directly to that. And yeah, I'm realizing I probably didn't need to craft up more, but I'm sure we're going to be using a lot more redstone flux here. So I just went ahead and crafted it up. I also have I made a recipe for it as well. Yeah. Need to be able to get out of here. There we go. So this should make this quicker. All right. Yeah, that's much quicker than we had it. So yeah, there we go. There's our fiery boots, and we got a whole bunch of other stuff. And there we go. That is going to repair this. Now, obviously, the easiest way would be just to do the anvil that uses energy. But yeah, getting this, that's a bit more difficult. There's quite a few things that we would have to do, namely get to the end. But so now we're just going to use lava, and yeah, I think that works. Not super fast. I don't... Is it like completely draining this? Yeah, it is draining that a bit. I could always... we are not outputting... Let's see. We should be able to... These should... Maybe... Max output 11,000. Max output 5,000? Oh, wait. I did something, didn't I? Ah. That's right. Alright, I have... Yeah, that... Done something weird here. I think... Alright, what I did was, this originally was going in here on the side. Right, that's what I did. And then... These are supposed to be separate. Alright. Whoops. Because I really like having a separate... All the power goes in. This should be going in, and then this is the outbound. So it should be something like that. Alright. Let's see what that... Yeah. Yeah, there we go. So now that is outputting to there. I may end up actually... Really, the only thing we actually need the mechanism cables for is the IC2. Because that converts RF. But everything else can actually just be the thermal flux ducts, because those are just so much easier to make. And they're better. Universal. Yeah, so tier 1 is 1,000, 5,000, 25,000, 128,000, whereas the flux ducts, well, that's 10,000 for the cheap one. And redstone is 90,000, so like this just seems so much easier. But they do not convert to ICTU. All right, but yeah. So that turned off, obviously, and that's why the power started going up, but yeah. Now this should be able to be automated. I'm pretty sure I saw that. Oop, I did it again. All right, I did. What did I do? I did something. What have I done? Are we draining? No? Are we pulling too much power? Like, are we just... Is it pulling all the power over there and then not leaving any for the A system? Oh my goodness. Get me out of here. No, I totally screwed that up. Let me figure out what the heck I just did. I can't remember where we're getting power. Yeah, why aren't these... Alright, I need to get flying so I can jump up this one. Why isn't that getting power? Now I'm all confused. Oh. Did I... No, that was there, wasn't it? Maybe not. I don't know. Is it on now? Now it's on. I don't know what I must have accidentally broken it or something. I would have to look back at the thing. I remember... Ah, well. Maybe I only placed the one at the bottom. But, alright. So we got that. I need to see... Let's... Do we have a chest? Yes, I did craft a couple. Actually, probably only need the one. Conduit, maybe. My conduit's over here. Yeah, I'll throw those in there when I'm done with these. All right, so I need a hopper as well. All right, I do not have a hopper. I thought I did. No, I don't have any... Man, I need to get like iron plates. I use so many iron plates. Automated. Preferably not with those, even though those are pretty fast. But the compactor is just easier to automate. So I just threw some. There we go. What I'm thinking is, apparently you can automate this, so I don't know. You throw it on the back. Yeah. Does that go in? Yeah, it does. And can we do... Actually, I don't know if this is going to work. Is it just going to pull out before it... Is it going to pull out before it finishes? Oh, of course not, because it's a separate slot. What am I talking about? Alright, yeah, there we go. I'm going to throw those in there for now, but that's just a very basic kind of... Oh my goodness. I should change my hotkeys. I'm going to keep doing that. Yeah, that's a very basic automation of things. Now, man, how am I going to deal with this? The easiest way would probably be... One, I got to figure out if we're getting stuff that's better than we have. Like, mana steel's pretty good, isn't it? But we do have nano. If I saw Terra Steel, I'd probably do that. We gotta avoid a lot of this stuff. All this stuff, basically. Although we could, it would be kind of funny if I placed a lot of the armor on all my armor stands that we have up here. It doesn't matter if they're broken. Oh, my goodness. I lost it. Where did I put it? Hey, you can't tell that it's broken. That'd be funny. Should I do that with all this armor? All this crazy armor? I kind of wanted them all to match, though. As I'm totally getting distracted. What if we do, like... This is iron. This could be, like, mana steel. This could be... I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I don't know. It's just kind of amusing to me. This is totally manual. Like, okay, we'll do steel leaf. And then ironwood can be one. I don't know. I'm just kind of randomly throwing stuff out. How about like a nanosuit one? Tough alloy chestplate though, isn't that pretty... That's pretty decent, isn't it? Do leather. These are all going to be thrown out, I believe. And have nightly. Faraday helmet, is that... No. Only used in the nanosuit, which is used in the flux infused helm. That flux stuff is actually pretty good. Maybe that's something I could do. But, alright. Anyway, today I think we want to get the arc furnace built so we can start getting fiery ingots. Yeah, I think we'll do that. I'm just going to really quickly do this. And that is a multi-block, which is not super difficult to make, but it's not super easy either. Alright, I kind of like that, not gonna lie. Completely pointless, but hey, it's a use for these things. The only problem is I need to kind of sort this out because this is going to... This will fill up like super fast with all this armor stuff. So like all these bows. I'll just trash all these. And it could probably pump most of this stuff into drawers. Maybe I'll do that. But I want to get the thing built before I worry about that. So we can start melting some of this down. I'll let that run for a little bit, but yeah, we'll do that in a second. So the arc furnace. Heavy machinery arc furnace. As we can see, this is quite big. Heavy engineering blocks, light engineering block, redstone engineering block. Now, it's not as bad because we can do most of this. Is there a light one? I feel like the light one... I have heavy. I don't know if... I don't think I tried light engineering block, did we? Not difficult. I don't think I ever... Yeah, I never learned it, and it actually says on it. So, yeah, let's get that going. So, all right, anything on here that looks like an issue? Cauldron, steel sheet metal, block of steel, steel scaffolding, blah, 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 reinforced blast break. Nope, everything on here is not an issue. So, let me get this stuff organized. We'll get this all crafted up. I need to figure out where I'm putting this thing. I can probably break down a bunch of these things like this. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. I guess we'll do... I'll just kind of leave this... No, I'll throw that in my A system. That's what I'll do. Also, I just had a random thought. What happens... Can you tick accelerate Cursed Earth? Is that a thing that's possible? I don't think I'm going to put that in there because we're not going to use these. So it's just going to take up... It's going to take up room in an A drive that we're never actually going to use ever again. That in the wrong one, though. Coke bricks. No, there's no use for those. Wait, I did see something. Reinforced coke brick, that's right. That's a thing. Alright, so let me get this and then... Alright, what's going on? We have an issue. Why is it not getting power? Oh, because I... Yep. When I vein mine that. There we go. Alright, there we go. So, yeah, let me get some of this stuff and we'll come back. Okay, we are back and I'm just crafting up the last thing, I think. Nope. Still scaffolding. That. I don't know. Thought that's what I did, but maybe not. And we'll throw that in there. Now this thing required a... Oh, I had steel plate. I put steel plates in there. That's what I did. I actually did not need these 3. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. Just throw it in there. We may use it at some point, but I think that is everything that we need. Double check. Yep. All right, cool. Now we need that and could use that projector thing. I can never remember what it's called. Hologram? Holo something? If I see it, I'd probably recognize it. This thing. Projector. Let me grab that really quick. I think there is actually a quest for it. It's locked behind generator and radiator block. Yeah, that's just like extra crafting. Yeah, let me grab that and we'll be right back. All right, I think that is everything. Yes. So basically to use this, if I remember correctly, you put it in there with at whatever page you're like open to. And then you can do that. And then, yeah, it'll show you the block. So I think we'll just kind of do it over here. Now this thing is very large. Yeah, that actually works right there. I'm going to turn this off because this is no doubt completely full. Yeah. All right, so we can see everything that we get in here. So many bows. But yeah, we'll just let that work its way through. We did get a couple fiery boots. Unfortunately, we're not getting a ton of fiery stuff. We are getting flux, though. Flux infused, which is actually pretty cool. I like that. Also, I just set up a drawer. We've got some void upgrades on them, and that is just piping out the stuff into a controller. Obviously, you can't pipe everything in, so just the stuff we're getting tons of, bones, string, that kind of stuff, getting piped out of here and voided when it fills up. Anyway, get back to this. Now, let's see. This is a, like I said, a very... Did I place this down? No. I was like, why did it disappear? Those are these. And I can't remember if there's a way to auto place it. I feel like there is. And I totally can't remember right now, and I'm not going to look it up. But I feel like there may be a way to have it place it for us. What the heck is that? Oh, cauldron. There. Steel scaffolding. And light engineering. All right. Is that heavy engineering? Probably heavy engineering. Yeah. And then go. I don't even know which way this I have got this facing either. So, oops. Can I put that like, no, I don't think that works. Does it? Oh, it does work. All right, there we go. Perfect. No, I did something wrong there. Steel block? I think that's a steel block. Yeah. Right. These, I really do like these multi-blocks from Immersive Engineering. I think they look so cool. One, two, three. That's steel. Yep. There and there. All right, I think this is the final layer. There's that. At engineering. Oh, maybe there's one more on top of this. Oh, yeah. There we go. There's that. And have I done something wrong? Maybe I just miscounted? I don't know. Apparently we need one more light. Thought it said 10. If not, we will have to... I'll have to figure out what I did wrong. I do have an extra steel scaffolding. I have a feeling I have done something wrong. Although I'm not seeing any red thing. I don't know. We shall see. I may have added extra in my inventory. No, that is everything. All right, nice. So let's hit it. I don't know where we hit it. I could never know. Is it like on the back? Where do we hit it? My one complaint with this mod, because I never know where to hit it with a thing to get it to form. Come on. Where is it? Does it say? I don't think it says, does it? Form the structure and then click the cauldron. It does say. There we go. All right, so let's turn that off. And there we go. There is the arc furnace. Now, that is such a cool looking multi. I guess we're gonna do, we need to get power into it. I think those are the power on the back. We're gonna do this. Probably at this point, it's probably just easier to go underneath and feed it with the flux ducts. Oh, I have them right here. I didn't realize. These, yeah. I don't know if that's an output. I never remember. I think that's the output. There may be a couple outputs or an input. This may be like an input. Yeah, it may be an input. So I'm going to leave that open. All right, and then there should be somewhere around here. Where is, am I going the wrong way? I may be going the wrong way. No, there should be cable over here somewhere. Yeah, we'll do that here. Probably not the most ideal location, but there. Can probably get rid of this blast furnace as well. I'll cover that up. But all right, so it does have power. I don't think this part needs, no, there's like diode. Is it diodes? What is it? Diode? Not diode. Something goes in it. Graphite rod. Electrode. I was close. Graphite electrode goes in the top right there. And it, I don't know if it's actually needed. It is hop graphite, but I don't think we have that. I'd have to look into that hop graphite. Yeah, it's coke dust. That's right. 8 coke dust in a squeezer, but it does look like you can do it in the manufactory. Let's see, pulverizer or a coal coke. Yeah, we can do that in a redstone furnace. That'd be the easiest way to do it because I just broke down the coke oven. But I don't think, I don't know. Let's test it out. We put one of these in here. Is it going to turn on? Uh-oh. We might need, yeah, we might need those electrode. There is a different, there's a worse kind, I believe. Maybe I was wrong. Oh. No. All right. If you do that, you get 50%. If you do them in the metal press, you get 40%. Or, yeah, 100%. You do it in there, you get 50%. Now, this may actually need a redstone signal too. I feel like that might be a thing that it needs. And its habit going to that chest instead of the A system. Because doesn't this have to like heat up or something? I don't know. Yeah, I feel like it probably needs more. And probably, no, I don't know. 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 Yeah, let me get some of this. Actually, we can probably do it. I'm running a little low on time, so yeah, we'll try. Want to get this working. So manufactory, we can just do the pulverizer. All right, I need coke dust. It's the only way to get it. So it's the crusher. And we're not going to do it there. Macerator works. Holy cow. That is a slow recipe. Thank goodness we have time in a bottle. Just double check this hasn't worked. No, it's not working. It may need... Does it need like... I can't remember. I have done this before and I remember getting it going. I couldn't remember how to get it going at first. Now we can do this in here. That's what it was. Oh, probably not a good idea to do that. Now, do we have arc? Don't think I have arc furnace. I don't have the engineers. Metal, crafting. Oh, can you not get that? Is it only found in like dungeon chests? Is that thing? Or villager trade? Is it a villager thing? It might be a villager thing. I remember you can't do it right away. Let me go search the villager. There is a blacksmith over there. I don't know if we actually have one over there though. Let me sleep. We'll be right back. I want to get this going. All right, and really quick, I ran over to 3 different villages. There was one here, one over here, and I crafted up a villager market, which is just wood and 9 emeralds, which we have a ton of from sifting. And if you don't know, you place this down in a village and it'll show you all the different types of villagers and all the different trades. And unfortunately, did not find a blacksmith in all 3. So could not get the blueprint. I'm pretty sure you have to get that or in a dungeon loot chest, which I didn't do, obviously. So I'm actually just going to craft these up the cheap way, and that should get the furnace going. So we got 16. We'll throw it in here. I think we have to do like that. No. I may actually need, now that I'm thinking about it, it may actually be a the rod. That is rod, right? Yeah. Maybe I just threw them wrong. Oh, I had it right. I just threw it on there wrong. Alright, well I actually crafted up too many. I only need 3. And we'll throw those in there, and I think I actually turned it off. Yeah, there we go. Alright, nice. So there is the fiery ingots, and it's really quick as we saw. So let's turn that off really quick. Do those. We'll throw them in. And there we go. There is our fiery ingots. It's dropping it down there. And yeah, all right. So we got 36 fire ingots from that. We didn't even have it running that long. And that is 4. I believe we have one more somewhere else. I don't remember where it is. Fiery, are you in here? No. we need one more block of fiery metal. We need 6 for the next thing we want to craft up. But anyway, there we go. There is the arc furnace from Immersive Engineering, and really cool multi-block. And in case you are wondering, you actually don't need to craft this up. You can just put it in the alloy smelter, the tinker smelter, and get your ingots. But you know what? I thought it would be cool to craft up the arc furnace, so that is why I did that. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this episode. So thanks for watching, and have a good one.